Do you know the type of foods and drinks you consume can either harm or repair your liver? Your liver is a vital organ that helps to detoxify your body, but certain foods and drinks can damage it and lead to fatty liver disease. Welcome to the Fragrant Life channel. Thanks to our beautiful returning subscribers for always stopping by to my channel. And to our new friends, you can please hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss out each time a new video is uploaded. Your liver plays a very vital role in keeping you healthy and alive. It's essentially responsible for cleaning and filtering your blood from the digestive tract before flowing to the rest of the body. It also metabolizes drugs and detoxifies chemicals. Those are just some of its many functions. That's why it's crucial to keep it in tip-top shape. Cleansing and detoxifying can help protect it from disease and keep it healthy, while the liver generally takes care of itself. There are certain foods and drinks that can help maintain and better its health, and ones that can harm your liver. Here are the top 10 toxic foods and drinks that can harm your liver. 1. Sugary drinks like soda and sports drinks. 2. Processed meats like hot dogs and sausages. 3. Fried foods like French fries and fried chicken. 4. Foods high in saturated and trans fats like butter and margarine. 5. Refined carbohydrates like white bread and sugary snacks. 6. Foods high in salt like canned soups and processed snacks. 7. Foods high in added sugars like baked goods and sweetened yogurts. 8. Processed foods like frozen meals and energy bars. 9. Foods high in artificial additives like food colorings and flavorings. 10. Excessive alcohol consumption. Now, let's talk about the best foods and drinks you need to recover from fatty liver disease. 1. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale. 2. Berries like blueberries and raspberries. 3. Nuts and seeds like almonds and chia seeds. 4. Fatty fish like salmon
and sardines.
5. Whole grains like brown rice and quinoa. 6. Legumes like lentils and chickpeas. 7. Healthy fats like avocado and olive oil. 8. Green tea and other herbal teas. 9. Fresh fruits like apples and bananas. 10. Probiotic-rich foods like unsweetened yogurt and kefir. Watch the next video for more liver health tips. Start incorporating these top 10 foods and drinks into your daily routine and make sure to avoid the worst foods and drinks to help repair and boost your liver health naturally. Remember, a healthy liver is essential for overall well-being. So, incorporate these foods and drinks into your diet and start supporting your liver health today. Remember, if you're experiencing any health symptoms, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying conditions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness contents.